Hello guys, in this video I will show how to copy table from Microsoft Word to Excel. A very simple and basic way. Firstly, opening your Microsoft Word document and click here. So right click this icon. This is the table which I need to copy. So right click on it and copy it. Now open your Excel sheet. Now here click on this tiny arrow underneath paste. Now here you will see option keep source formatting, match destination formatting. So click on this keep source formatting. That's it. So this is the easy way to copy and paste table from Microsoft Word to Excel. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.